Brand conversations can be complex. AI classifiers learn your brand's unique nuances, automatically categorizing the data that simple filters can't capture. This turns massive datasets into meaningful insights so you can spot important conversations earlier and react faster. Talkwalker offers two types of classifiers. One-click is used for rapid, automated sorting, and supervised models are manually trained and give you full control when you need custom sentiment scales or complex segmentations. In this video, we'll focus on supervised models. Supervised classifiers help solve three common problems. The topic cleanup classifier removes irrelevant mentions that add noise to your dataset, for example, a fruit name that happens to match your tech brand, and corrects misclassifications. The custom sentiment classifier defines sentiment from your brand's perspective based on your sentiment definition. It's great for customer insights, brand health, and crisis management. Data segmentation classifiers organize data into one or several focused categories for sharper analysis. This is flexible segmentation for use cases like personas, crisis monitoring, or a product deep dive. Let's say you're on the brand team for Yummy cereal. You noticed that your monthly reports show 65% negative sentiment, even though sales are through the roof. It looks like happy frustration is being misinterpreted from your most loyal fans. We're going to fix that with AI classifiers. Navigate to project settings to create a new classifier. Choose your use case. We're going to select custom sentiment to define what positive actually looks like. Next, we'll set the guardrails. Set clear guidelines for your categories, topics, channels, languages, countries, regions, and media types to ensure the model stays focused only on relevant data. Click Save and Train. The system will present a random sample of results and data for us to label. Take this post. We're running out of our favorite Yummy cereal so fast. Running out has been flagged as a negative supply issue, when in reality, this is a happy frustration, a sign of high consumption and a household that can't get enough. We will manually tag it as positive. And you can always track the progress of your training here. When you're done, click Train Now. You'll see the status change to training. I'd recommend keeping your training sessions short. AI learns best in sprints. Doing multiple 5-minute labeling sessions is way more effective than one long marathon. Once active, the AI automatically segments every mention. You can also choose to apply this training retrospectively to all past data within your relevant topics and channels. Now, let's make sure it's working. Head over to Topic Analytics and open the Results tab. Here, you can see which tag or category the classifier has assigned to each mention, spot and correct misclassifications directly, and gauge overall accuracy before retraining. Your goal here is to refine the dataset so that only data relevant to your sentiment goals is used for analysis and dashboards until reported sentiment truly reflects your brand's reality. The best practice is train, verify and correct, then retrain. With AI classifiers in your workflow, you'll start seeing past the noise to the insights that matter most to your brand.